subscribe to my channel, man. Hit the like button and watch my recent videos. Want to give y'all a couple of monthly paying stocks that I brought or that I am buying and that I am dollar cost averaging down in. If y'all need some monthly paying cash flow or some passive income, these some of the ones I brought today. And these some of the ones you can buy and add to your position from here on out. I get a pen, man. You can write them on down. I was gonna do a list or something, but I said I get on the camera today and see what's up. Anyway, what's going on in this market, man? Know y'all see it's tanking. Everybody selling off. This the only red that I love to see. If you know what I mean. That was just a little joke. The only blood in the streets that I love to see. Um, but now, man, I done been through this here, before. Like I said, I started trading 2020 before COVID started, man, and got the war in Russia, COVID, stagflation, inflation, all kind of COVID strains came, and other wars, whatever. And I done seen a whole lot in the last 4 years, and I'm still in the market, remaining strong, headstrong. A lot of people I brought in, they had quit. The market not for me, the market a scam. Oh man, you're gonna lose money. Whoop, whoop, whoop. This and that. I do real estate, own a couple small some businesses too. So I did on my live trade, today I went on a rant about if you're looking for monthly cash flow slash passive income, there's nothing better than the dividends coming from the stock market, whether they coming on a monthly or quarterly basis. I like the monthly basis better because most people bills I do every 30 days. But if your pocket's straight and if you can wait quarterly, I mean quarterly still is good. But the returns from the stock market are going to be any returns coming from a bank account. Right now you can get probably at the most probably about 5.1. I know me, I'm getting like 5.15% in the 18 months CD account. I think my money market's paying like 4.4, which is still good. So I'm leaving some money in there for now until the interest rates get cut. When they go back around like the 1 and 2% mark, I will be putting all that money back into the market. But about time that happen, these low prices, these buying prices, you see probably going to be higher then. So it make more sense for you to do it now rather than wait. One thing about the market is you cannot time it. And let me give y'all a couple of these. These here, man. Ticker CRF. It's a cornerstone. It's a CEF, they call it, a closed end fund, but the ticker is CRF. Also got his brother or his sister, whatever you want to call it, CLM. And they both pay out. I think CRF pays out a monthly dividend of like 10 cents a month. CLM pays out like 11 cents a month. Both of them you able to buy right now at like the $7 range, $7.20, somewhere around there. You got the another one is TSLY, which is a yield mag option trading ETF. Last money paid out like 62 cents a share. The month before that was 81 cents. You get that right now for like $14.30 or something now. Another yield max and ETF is AMDY. This one I just started. It's doing covered calls and options on the stock AMD. So when AMD is up, this stock goes up. When it's down, it comes on down. Basically trades according to AMD. And TSLY is Tesla. They do the cover calls on Tesla. And you got MSTY, ticker MSTY. I just started a position on that one. It does cover calls on micro strategy. This one I started buying at $35. Today you could have got it low at like $31 and some change. I'm buying a share every other day. AMD, I'm buying a share every day at $18 and under. I think last money paid $1.13 a share. MSTY is a new one. It only had one payment going out, and the payment last month was I think it was $4.12 or $4.36 a share. It pays out. I think the annual yield is like 136 per percent or 129. It's similar and close to the annual yield of Coney, CONY, doing the options on Coinbase. The other yield max one is APLY. This cover calls on Apple. I think last month they paid out like 30 cents, like 42 or 30 cents a share. Um, the other thing is UTG, Reeves Utility Income Fund. I think the annual yield on that is like between 8 and 9%, I want to say, but that kind of grows and it's more stable than the other ones, not as volatile. And it also appreciates a little more than the others. Another one I'm going with a ticker OPP. It's another close-in fund. It's River North Double Line Strategic Opportunity Fund. I brought some of that $8.12. That pays out. I want to say it pays out like 12 or 15 cent a month. I want to say I got to go and check. But it got his brother or his sister, you want to call it, ticker RIV, which is another River North. Those all both of those OPP and RIV pays out monthly. And I got 3 REITs, ticker ORC. That's Orchid Island Capital. You can scoop that up right now. I think I scooped some up today at like $8 even, and some for $7.95. I traded it for $8.10 just to make a little bit of profit and to lower my average cost. ORC pays out right now 16, 14, pays 14. I think it's 12, either 12 or 14 cents a share. It end up I think it's 12 cents because it did cut or reduce the dividend of 16 cents. Then it went to 14. Then I think it reduced it back to 12. So I think it's going to hold on to the 12 cents a month. Another one similar to it is ticker AGNC. You can get that right now today. I think it went down to like $8.92. I look at that as a buy at like the $9 and under. It pays 12 cents a month dividend. And another ticker ARR, Armor Residential REIT. It did pay 40 cents a month. Then they reduced it to 24 cents a month. Now you can get that stock. I think it went down about $17.36 today, but it pays 24 cents a month. You're gonna have some backlash about ORC and ARR. You might have some backlash with AGNC2. A lot of people say, the dividend is not sustainable. I might can give them a pass or sort of see where they're coming from with ORC and ARR, being that they have cut and reduced their dividend in the past, but with AGNC, ever since I've been trading since 2020, it paid a consistent 12 cent a month. Got a good old market cap. I think it's right now it's probably at like $6 billion. Has good earnings every year. Another one I'm gonna give you is ticker PEC, PSEC, Prospect Capital. It pays out 6 cents a share. That is about me at 5.50 and under. Could have got some today at like $5.34. And those are some of the ones that I did buy. I got a whole list. If y'all follow me, you see my Weeble portfolio and my Robinhood. I got a bunch of especially in my Weeble one, I got a lot of basically I got a lot of some monthly paying REITs, some CEFs, which is closed-end funds, some ETNs is the strange exchange traded notes, which is like the Credit Suisse one, the SLVO, USOI, and the GLDI, which is cover call on gold. And I got a bunch of some ETFs on there too, exchange traded funds that pay out monthly. A lot of them is like RYLD, QYLDs, AMDYs, TSLYs, those kind of things. But just want to give y'all a little update of what is going on. For y'all that need help, www.patreon.com/stocks with Groove. Let's build a portfolio together. Through that app, you can message me unlimitedly, and we can build like you out of your stocks. You upside down, and we can work together. Two heads are better than one. I give you my best thoughts and strategies according to your needs, man. But GGYM, go get your money, man.